Drop of Rain by W.C. Wampler. I dreamed I was a drop of rain. I was drifting down, causing a rainbow all around. I felt fresh, and yet I knew I was 1,000,000 years old. Ancient, ancient water that would fall again and again. Sometimes to rinse the air, sometimes to wet the soil, sometimes to raise a lake, sometimes to get lost in an ocean. And I would flow in the undergrounds, and I would come out to daylight, and then something would drink me, and I would become them, and they would put me back in the ground, and I would purify and return to daylight. The sun would pick me up, the wind would carry me away, and I would fall again as a drop of rain. Another day, another day, another day.